If you've ever wanted a simple way to keep a folder on your computer automatically backed up and synced to Google Drive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-sync folders in Google Drive step by step using Google Drive for Desktop. This is one of the easiest ways to make sure your important files are always available across devices, and it's perfect for documents, photos, project folders, and anything else you want to keep organized in the cloud. Before we start, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is install and open Google Drive for Desktop on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, download it from Google first, then launch the app once the installation is complete. After opening it, sign in with the Google account you want to use for syncing. This is the account that will store your files in Google Drive, so make sure you choose the right one. Once you're signed in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and find the Google Drive icon in the system tray. On Windows, this is usually near the clock, and on Mac, you'll find it in the menu bar. Click that Drive icon to open the Settings panel. From here, you'll want to click the gear icon, then select Preferences. This takes you to the main control area for managing sync settings. Inside Preferences, look for the section labeled My Computer. This is where you can add folders from your device and decide how they should sync with Google Drive. Click Add Folder to begin. Now, a file browser will open and you can choose the folder you want to keep synced automatically. Select the folder carefully, especially if it contains important work files or personal data. Once you've chosen the folder, click Select Folder or Open depending on your computer. Next, Google Drive will ask how you want to handle the folder. Choose Sync with Google Drive. This option makes sure the folder's contents are automatically uploaded and kept up to date in your Drive account. If you only want backup behavior, you may see other options depending on your setup, but for full auto-sync, make sure you select the Google Drive Sync option. After that, click Done, then click Save to confirm your preferences. Once saved, Google Drive for Desktop will begin syncing that folder automatically in the background. You don't need to manually upload files every time anymore. Any new file you add, edit, or remove in that folder will be reflected in Google Drive based on the sync settings. This is especially useful if you work across multiple devices or want a secure cloud copy of your important files. To double-check that everything is working, open your Google Drive in a browser and look for the folder or its contents appearing there. You can also test it by adding a small file to the synced folder on your computer and seeing if it shows up in Drive after a short moment. If you ever need to stop syncing later, you can go back into Preferences, find the folder under My Computer, and remove it from sync settings. That gives you full control over what is connected to your Drive account. And that's it. You've now learned how to auto-sync folders in Google Drive using Google Drive for Desktop. This is a quick and powerful way to keep your files backed up, organized, and accessible wherever you need them. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.